And now we're going to Atok Benguet. But first up, we're going to Colors of Stobosa. Officially designated as the Stobosa Hillside Homes Artwork, is a community artwork designed by the Tamawan Village Group and is a locally recognized tourist attraction in the town of La Trinidad, Benguet. The paintwork of multiple houses composes the single artwork. And now we're here at Halsema Road going to Atok, Benguet. Halsema Highway was considered one of the most dangerous highways in the world. Every day, commuters, transporters, tourists, and residents coming from Baguio or Mount Province drove this route, braving steep crabs, narrow and sheer drop, some more than 1,000 feet. But the road has now improved and its lovely trip by an asphalted road traces a circuitous paths that crosses the massive Cordillera Central mountain range on the island of Luzon. How long is Halsema Highway? Tucked away within the Cordillera, 93.20-mile long. It is 2 to 4 lane highway that stretches from Baguio City to Bontoc, Mountain Province. It also goes through some of the most remote provinces in the country. It is a long stretch of twisties as they call it. The road, also known Baguio Bondok Road or Mountain Trail, features dangerous sections especially during the rainy season. Like many other maintained mountain roads, landslides are a hazard on the road, where big stones and debris tumbled from peaks, and along with the cloud forest come mist that can ruin visibility. Bus driver travel at high speed, making it very dangerous for smaller vehicles. Extreme foggy conditions and slippery asphalt during rainy season complicate the driving, turning the road even more dangerous. It was considered back in the 1980s to the one of the few dangerous roads in the world, but the road is now well developed. Driving a sedan is now possible because of the road conditions. There are a couple of gas stations along the way. Make sure to gas up properly and full. Always check your brakes and tires for safety. Going downhill, always shift to low gears and never rely on just brakes. This will keep you safe on the road. Along the way, pay attention to cars stopping in the middle of the way. They park on main lane. The Philippines Highway got its name from Eusebius Julius Halsema, an American engineer who was credited for the building of some of Baguio City's most important public edifices. Halsema also served as the mayor of the famous city from 1920 to 1937, and it was during this term that the construction of the Skyway Road was started. The Halsema Highway, since the construction, served as one of the most important transport lines in the northern Luzon region. Up to this day, thousands of passengers, tourists, and locals use the road, mostly fresh fruits and vegetables that would not grow in the warmer parts of the country, to Baguio City and the provinces at the base of the mountain region, or up the mountain where notable destinations such as Sagada and Bondok are located. These people brave the poorly maintained roads to get to their destination, and each trip could feel like the last one as the steep drop-offs, narrow roads, and dirt crags threaten the safety of the vehicles and the passengers. Here at Matumpukan Half Tunnel, a man-made attraction of Atok. The best time to drive through the Halsema Highway is during the Philippine summer, March to April, as the rains and fog can definitely turn the picturesque highway in the death trap. Mudslides, as shown to the right, landslides and falling rocks considered pose a threat to motorists. Every year, many people die on Halsema Highway, usually tourists on the way to the breathtaking, beautiful Sagada on buses. They are driving too fast. While the majority of the road has been improved over the last few years, the asphalt can be very slippery when wet. To avoid this road, during the monsoon and rainy season, typically from June to December, but I suggest traveling in the morning where you can see the sun, because as of now, every afternoon is raining. Just like we got here, it's super fog and super zero visibility, but we managed to go in our destination in Northern Blossom Flower Farm. And by the time we go home, and this is the view. So nice, so steep, so narrow, but it's worth it. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Next stop, Northern Blossom Flower Farm. See you.